up, you guys? It's your girl Leah J, and I'm back with another video. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click the post notification bell button, and let's get into this red look, you guys. So what's up? How y'all doing? First things first, I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Blemish Control Primer, and I'm gonna place it all over my face. Now I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, as well as the color Beige, and I'm going to conceal underneath my brows, and I'm gonna also bring the concealer down onto my lid space. And now I'm using a flat brush to blend the two concealer colors and to get it precisely underneath my brow. And now I'm going to use my Real Techniques blending sponge to complete blending out the concealer. For this red look, I'll be going in with this mini palette that I purchased from the beauty supply store, so it's very affordable. And I'm gonna go in with this plum burgundy color, and I'm gonna use my favorite blending brush. Unfortunately, I don't remember the name nor where I got it from, but I'm just going to pack the color on using patting motions to the outer corners of my eye and into my crease area, and I'm just gonna pack the color on till I get the desired color. For my final shade, I'll be going in with this red color, and I'm going to just once again pack on the color until I get it to how I want it, and I'm going to use this on my entire lid and take it up into the crease area on top of the first shade that I used. And you already know I was having a jam session. Pandora was doing me right. Can y'all guess what song I was singing? But anyways, now I'm just gonna go in with my favorite blending brush again, and I'm just going to blend out the edges of my shadow. To apply my glitter, I'll be using the Duo glue, and I'm going to go in with these two glitters. One is by NYX, and the other one I got from Michaels, and I'm just going to place the glue on my lid space where I want the glitter to go, and I'm going to go in with my designated glitter brush to apply the glitter. And you guys, let it dry a little bit. I didn't rushing, not wanting to wait, but let it dry a little bit. now onto the face, baby. I'm gonna go in with this Calamine Lotion. I actually got this technique from another YouTuber. I can't remember her name, but I'll put it in the description box below. And it's supposed to help mattify your face and keep your foundation to last a lot longer and not have it oil up and stuff like that. So I'm applying this with a foundation brush, and I didn't use a lot. And then I'm gonna go in to make it extra mattify, and I'm gonna spray setting spray and then go in with my foundation. And I'm using the Maybelline SuperStay foundation in the color 356 Warm Coconut, and I'm gonna blend it into my skin using a Real Techniques foundation brush. And I know I'm looking a little oompa loompish. It looks a little yellow, but once it oxidizes, it'll work. Trust the process, guys. Trust the process. Now I'm gonna go on with my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 355 and a powder brush, and I'm just gonna place this all over my face on top of the foundation to help it set. And now I'm gonna start highlighting underneath my eyes, my nose, forehead, upper lip area, and I'm using the color Fawn, and I'm gonna also use Beige as well. And I am going to blend it out with a damp beauty blender. To contour my nose, I'm going to use the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. And this is the powder one. And I'm going to take a eyeshadow brush, I believe this is. And I'm going to use it to contour my nose. And now I'm going to contour my face. I'm using my Ruby Kisses contour palette, and I got this from the beauty supply store as well. And I didn't show it because it's chopped and bruised, you guys, so I wasn't even gonna do it. But I am using a Sephora contour brush, and I'm just applying my contour and blending it out. And now I'm gonna go in with my Ruby Kisses pressed powder in the color Chestnut, and I'm going to place this on top of the cream contour. And now I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set everywhere that I place concealer. So underneath my eyes, my upper lip, chin, and the bridge of my nose, as well as my forehead. I'm also going to place it underneath where I put my contour. I did apply my lashes off camera, but the lashes I use will be in the description box below. I purchased them from the beauty supply store. And yeah, I used the red eyeshadow that I used earlier and placed it underneath my eyes. And now I'm going in with my Tarte mascara to apply to my bottom lashes. And look at them. Ooh, yes, girl. And now I'm going to go in with my NYX eyeliner, and I'm going to place beauty marks all over my face. I love doing this. I really don't know why, but I just do. I mean, it's optional. You don't have to, but I do. And so now I'm going in with my LA Girl lip liner in the color black, and I'm going to just outline my lips. And now I'm going to go in with my Absolute New York matte lipstick. And I'm so sorry, I cannot speak. But anyways, and I'm just applying my lipstick. Now I'm gonna use this Absolute setting powder, and I learned this trick a while ago, and I like doing this because it gives it this look that I want. I didn't want it to be too red, but I kind of want it to be like an ashy red, if that makes sense. But yeah. And now I'm going to go in with my Milani highlighter, and I'm going to apply it to my nose, my cheekbones, and also underneath my eyebrows, so on my brow bone. And yes, look at that glow, honey. And this is me looking for shit. And I'm just going to set my face. And y'all, the final look is coming up. Yes, this is the final look, you guys. I added some jewels to my baby hairs, and I am just feeling this so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. I love you guys.